Hey y'all, so today's video is going to be, well, I'm doing a bunch of maintenance, but it's kind of just going to be an update video on what's going on. I'm sorry that I haven't recorded much lately, but I'll get you up to date on what my plans are, what I'm going to do. Right now I'm at work on the lift, and mainly because there's a heater right there. Oh yeah, and it's like really cold outside. So I'm at work doing, I'm going to do oil, I'm going to change the spark plugs, I'm going to put a different battery in and make a tie down for it or whatever, so it doesn't fly around the truck like the current one is doing. But I probably won't record a bunch of that because I mean that's not fun. Who really cares about watching somebody change oil? But as far as my plans for the car and what I'm doing moving forward, so right now it's on the 250 shot. We all know that it's working, it's doing great. Jason's got it dialed in, and just like I always do, whenever he gets everything dialed in perfect, I change everything up dramatically. So I ordered a turbo, and it's a billet wheel 2.5 VS 7875 with the 125 AR divided T4 flange. It's on the way. It was on sale, $300 off, so we picked it up for $450. The plan is to put it like right here where the radiator is. Radiator is probably going to have to get upgraded, but it's definitely going to move forward. I feel like I'm going to have to cut this out. You can't see. I have to cut all the way up to the frame rail and just shove that forward. I'm going to try to get a bigger radiator in there if I can. And then obviously the intercooler is going to be in front of it. Unfortunately, we're going to lose our Corvette snorkel. I even thought of a way of trying to keep it. It's not going to happen, obviously. But it is what it is. So that's the plan now. I'm saving up parts. I just went ahead and got the turbo because it was a good deal. And there's other upgrades as well. I ended up getting a set of drift knuckles, which aren't in right now, but I got those. We're going to just put those on and do the rack spacer deal or whatever so we can get a little bit more angle out of it. And hopefully everything clears. I don't know if we're going to be hitting here or not. If we are, I'll figure that out when we get to it. I got to put a sway bar in. I've got that BMW sway bar, the E36 sway bar. I've just got to like make mounts. I got to cut these off, and we're going to make mounts for it and go ahead and get that in, see where it sits, so we can build the turbo stuff around it, which I think it'll be fine. It's going to kind of come down like this, and it'll sit somewhere around here. I've got Cadillac LSA CTSV manifolds that I'm going to flip forward, and hopefully, well, they should dump out like right here on each side. Obviously, I gotta get them in the car first to see how much clearance I'm gonna have, but I should be able to snake through here. Oh, can y'all even see anything I'm talking about? Sorry, I'm not looking at my camera. Hopefully that worked out. But I'm gonna try to dump it out right here around the alternator and try to keep it in this location still. I know it can be done. Other people have done it. I'm not the first person to do it. So that's the plan. I just gotta get the rest of the parts all together, and then, I mean, y'all know how I do. I'm just going to get everything and throw it all at it in like a week, and hopefully it'll be done. In theory, hopefully that'll work. We'll see if it works out this time around. I've got a little bit more prior proper planning in when it comes to me just doing things, so hopefully I'll have everything I need all at once. So we'll cross that bridge when we get to it, but I don't really feel like it's worth me recording the stuff that I'm doing today. Oh, yeah, and also, can't forget about these guys finally doing bushing upgrade. So this is the rear. The front should be here tomorrow or Monday, I believe, and I got to do all that. I may or may not record that. It's not something really interesting to watch, but I've got NB control arms under there, front stuff that I'm probably going to try and use the lowers. I don't know how I'm going to do the sway bar setup yet, but I might try and use the lowers. Oh, well, that end link's no good. And see if that'll be easier to work with as far as the end links go. I also have NA control arms. I might try to use those. I haven't decided yet. I'm doing a little more research on it, but we'll see how it goes. So this is going to be my little update video. And sorry it's not super entertaining, but just to let y'all know what's going on with the car, because I know I haven't posted in like a month. Like I said, I'm sorry. I've been kind of busy with work and trying to get things done outside of work, and just really just been playing around with the car in the little bit of free time that I have. But I'm gonna make an attempt to get more content out regularly, so hopefully that all works out. But if you made it this far, as always, I appreciate you watching. Thanks for subscribing. We'll see you on the next one. Later, y'all.